Not him.
Darn thing that screwed us up.
Look at that. Oh, did
Look
not
at the log.
touch the log. You can put them. You can put close together and far apart, and he'll straw up and stretch out. You can just throw him out there anyway and let him over. He thinks. He's too dang smart.
You just don't like hit his hook.
He ain't gonna hit his hook.
Red used to trip over everything, so I took these pipes out there.
Big pipes?
Yeah.
Damn right. They hit those one
And do
time.
you know
it's like,
what?
I'm gonna lift
Do you know
my
what?
feet
I
up.
can ride anywhere.
Yeah.
He won't even hit a rock.
Hey,
Rock,
listen,
he'll
those
pick his
big old
hook up.
clips, bigger than those.
Oh yeah, 4, 6
right
inches, 4
can do
You
it
inches.
lay
without
those
that
out and
jar.
start doing.
You can
do it. Oh, yeah,
stuff,
boy.
They'll pick their feet up and
They do
hold it.
not like to hit that plastic.
Oh, we would dig just a tiny little.
That was a cute little buck there.
I tell you what.
They're going to pick their hook up. They know
Yeah,
exactly
straighten
what
a little bit more for
The
gas.
old kind that were really heavy with creosote.
That was a better one.
Wouldn't move either. Yeah, you had a horse that liked to walk on top of stuff. Wouldn't after that. That hurt.
He does
Guaranteed.
taste
Just
good.